interpret this in terms of the destinations for these highways. Home entertainment, video on demand, you'll be hearing about in the next hour. That has drawn the most media attention, maybe because it deals directly with the media. But I think there will be a market there, and we will see that emerging. However, I hope that the information superhighway will be more than 500 channels of television, and that the important distinction of this technology is that it provides connections and interactions among people. The information service providers have a role, but historically they have constantly misjudged the uses from the telephone to the internet and CompuServe information service, Prodigy information service are misnomers because they are really communication services. Their most attractive aspects and distinctive ones are the ones that allow people to interact, to provide fresh services, and to be in connection with other people. There's a long list of other items which I think will be important parts of this environment. I think there's great hope for better medical record keeping. To me, I would see a very obvious goal of setting that in every emergency room in the country, you ought to be able to get your most recent electrocardiogram within 15 seconds. After all, you can get your airline reservation anywhere in the country in 15 seconds. I think we ought to move towards making medical records at least as accessible as airline reservations. There'll be many changes towards education, and Kent Norman will be addressing those. The commercial opportunities are great. You'll be hearing about some of those possibilities. And then the way our civic systems and communities will be reshaped is still very hard for us to understand. All I can say is I think the changes will be dramatic. I am constantly amazed, struck, impressed by what's happening out on the net,